up with it? Hey, what? Trying to race at the track. I've been chilling lately, waiting. Hey, and if you wondering if I'm trying to do, fuck you. I'm trying to see what you're doing, like, just like G. I'm finna see. Hey, what's up with it, man? Yeah, I'm finna see something. I should've went and got me a drink. Which one of these vets gonna win? Let's see which one of these vets gonna win. Hey, we got this little vet right here. Damn, he got trash control on. Okay, Diamond, what you gonna do? Edward over here, wait.
Oh, where's he at?
Oh, I thought he was on the way.
No, he on the road.
Oh shit, Edward, I thought you was coming. Yeah, when you get it fired up, I'm gonna be ready too.
Hey guys, if you have a black Camaro with the license plate NY
I got one.
913, you're blocking a trailer, you need to go move your car. If you don't move your car, someone's probably gonna move it for you.
Move your car, dude.
You're probably not gonna like that.
Ain't no tow truck, sure. Ain't nobody gonna move shit for nobody. Lying. What's up with it, man? You on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I see you at the at Whitfest, Texas Whitfest.
Oh yeah, that was me. Right line for the win. I'm finna go and put this phone on the charger so I don't have no problems later. Infamous Nova in the building. Man, you know, every time I see that name, I always think of the real Nova. I be thinking of the real Nova. I'm gonna go check her channel out. Oh shit, there go the security guy. Your friend, everybody ain't your partner. Everybody ain't a real nigga. I said I got you. When it's fucked up, you get fucked up. You decide. I protect the name, I won't let a nigga talk about it. Did drink up that 30% pretty quick. make sure that didn't happen again. He said, I'm gonna take off real slow this time.
Move it. Walking in the trailer. Black Camaro.
Black Camaro. Let me turn that TikTok on now, y'all. Hold on, let me wipe my. Oh, okay, here come that good race. Got them roaches on the front of that thing. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Ooh wee. Right lane for the win, y'all. I thought left lane had came back.